Hello and welcome to JJ with Joy. Today I wanted to share the last journal I've made, which is Cabinet of Curiosities. And this is from Fifis Digital Designs. She's on Etsy here. She's also the same as the Fifi, the paper crafter. So this was a design team project that she needed or asked me to do. So anyway, I have to tell you, I have made this live and totally screwed it up, and here's why. Originally, the cover you saw on this was autumn, and the reason why was because she came out with two different kits. One was, I don't know the name of it, but I'm doing it next. It's autumn something anyway, sorry. And this one's the Cabinet of Curiosities. And so I ended up starting the other one. And then I saw this one, and she says, well, you can be my digital person for that one too. So, oh my gosh. So I had made the cover for the other one, and then I started filling this one. So I had to redo the cover, and let me tell you how I fixed it. Because if you remember, I don't know if you can see the raised here, how this is raised. Well, if that's raised, and then also this is raised here too. If this is raised and you just put paper on top of it, it's going to show all the little bumpity bumps, right? Okay, well, I fixed it by, and all I had was, this paper is a specialty paper, and so it has a little bit of fibrous stuff through it. I only had a little piece of it left. That's all I had. And actually, I thought, well, I'm not going to use this part of this kit, so I'll just rip it off and throw it in the trash. I had thrown this image away, and actually it came out to be a better thing. So I put half of this down and then a half of just regular black, cardstock, and then I pieced them together like this, and that raised it up, and then I put this piece over the top of it. Da, 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 da. You can fix anything, just gotta figure it out. So anyway, let's get into it. And then at the very last minute after I got done, I figured out that I had this in the back, and I'm like, well, here, I'm trying to get it, this cute little fox, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's part of the other kit too. Oh, just, I feel like a little dingbat, but it's okay. It's all fixable. Just remember, when you're doing junk journaling, it is all fixable. So, anyway, yay us. Here we go. Oops. A lot of this I made live. I did finish this in my Facebook group just for fun. I just sewed down this, and this has nothing, on it. Just a paper clip that has been done with the gun cleaning metal, whatever, blue. It's called blue. Whatever it's called. It's something. I don't know. Your gun people will know. All right. This is a specialty paper as well. This is some really cool fabric that I had showed you. It is just, I wanted to make like a coffin out of it, and then I thought that might add too much to the page, so I might end up being it might make it too thick, so it wouldn't close properly. So I just added a little string on this. I just looped it through. That's all I did to that. Here is, I just made a little tab to go on that. I showed how to do this, so I'll link all of them in a playlist for you, except for the very last one, which is actually on Facebook, and I can't get it off of there, so there you go. But you can figure it out. You'll see, I did make the spine. Even though it's the wrong spine, I made the spine for it, so I'm going to call it good. Oh, my gosh. I overlapped these. I thought those kind of looked cool overlapped. Another specialty paper. I have several specialty papers throughout. This has the apothecary look in it with this yummy little bottles full of whatever, We have a little house there with the tab, and then I did go ahead and cover that just so there's a writing spot. I want there to be plenty of writing spots. Another specialty paper. This one has a writing spot. And I added some little gold dots around there. So these all swing. I added the button. I don't think I did that on my live because I forgot. I got it out, then I forgot it like a ding dong. But that's okay. Oh, you know, that could stick up there too. Let's stick it up there. Why not? We have it. Use it. This has a little glossy accents on this piece as well. As, you know, I think the front and that's probably the only glossy accented pieces. Another specialty paper. I cut this tag down so it would fit, and it has a little bit of tag writing spot on the back. I don't know if you remember this, but I said I wasn't going to fussy cut that. Well, I figured out I could just cut it a little bit more there and a little bit more here and up the tail, and then it blends really well with this page. So I just blended it on in. Yep. And this, it's a one signature. And this page is part of the autumn kit. There's no way I can get it out of there. I think it looks pretty cool. Anyway, I left it. So if you're wanting this image, it does not come in her digital kit. The Cabinet of Curiosities for Fifis Digital Design on Etsy. There you go. And I love this creepy woman's eyes. Her eyes are so funky, aren't they? I did add a little bit of orange in it, and I cut a piece to kind of cover some of this because it was, you know, it just looked like a lot. So I thought, well, we'll minimize it somewhat. I did add a few little pieces here and there. Now, this has got parchment paper and just a little bit of trim. And this is the Tim Holtz. Uh-oh, I see that. It's not going to... It's sticking here, but it's not sticking there. I'll go back and glue that down to make sure it stays. This one will be for sale, by the way, in case anybody's interested. I eventually will get it in Etsy, but if you're interested in it, before I get it there, let me know. This is some Italian paper underneath here. That doesn't come in the kit as well. I love this page so much. So creepy. And there we have that. Some more of this, and I, again, just tied it on with some little string there. One of her little buggies up there. There's a little creepy skull guy down there. Now, this as well is just a writing spot. I made this into a writing spot. I thought that sounded pretty cool with the departed on there, so I just left that. And then the last page is this tree and another tag. And then this is the tag that I thought, what do I have that will go with this page? So it ended up being this. And this has some yummy dots on the back. So there you go. That is the journal all finished up. Yummy, yummy. And I didn't count the pages, and it is a little less than your normal fold a sheet paper in half, 8.5 by 11. So, but I just added something that, I added another thing that might be making this pop up, but I'm going to put something on it so it sits flat, but it doesn't open up too big anyway. So that's it. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like to see more from me, subscribe, ring the bell, and if you'd like to share it, please do. I love it. And then I will talk to you later. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.